fully automatic soldering machine. Redefines efficient production. Accurate, fast, zero error. Injecting intelligent power into industrial manufacturing equipped with a multi-axis linkage system. It can easily handle complex solder joints. Intelligent temperature control technology ensures zero solder defects whether it is macro, electronic components or precision circuit boards. It can be perfect line adapted widely used in electronic manufacturing, automotive industry, and smart home appliances. 24. Our continuous operation. Efficiency increased by 300%, and labor costs reduced by 70%.